What's going on YouTube? It's been a long while. Ramadan Kareem to everyone. Hey, I'm here today and I'm going to show you how I shot this coda. Now before I start, if you have any questions about the shot or about some other shot, please leave me a comment in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. Now, let's go. Alright, now let's talk about the RAW processor. I prefer using the Capture One Pro. You can use Lightroom as a RAW processor. I just find and think and believe the Capture One is just a better RAW processor. My photos come out crispier. Like there's like this, it's punchier for some reason. But anyway, you can use Lightroom. Okay, so let's see the before and after. So this is the before and this is the after, and I know you're wondering what on earth are these. Now I think this is the lens hood. I'm not quite sure why this happened, but anyway, I got rid of it in Photoshop, which is also I'm gonna show you how I did this. But yeah, this is the before, this is the after. I bumped up the exposure and added a bit of warmth to the photo, so I kind of warmed it up. All right, let's go to Photoshop. All right, here we are in Photoshop. This is the before, obviously, and this is the after, and I'm just going to walk you through, you know, the process. For those of you who been watching me and following me on Udemy, which all my courses are free right now on Udemy if you want to check them out, I like to clean up first. This is a part of my process after, of course, the RAW processing. And now with Photoshop AI, it just became so easier and better. So yeah, for these, honestly, I just used AI. There you go. Boom, one shot. You can see here. Let me just expand this. You guys go away. So yeah, this is the before AI, generated fill AI. There you go, done this. And then here is where I added a, the manual cleanup, because I just wanted to manually clean things up. Actually, it was a mixture of both. I used AI and I used the clone stamp tool and the other tools just to clean it up and merged it all in one layer. So this is the before, this is after. It's already like making a lot of difference. Yeah, I forgot this one here at the corner of the screen of the shot, but yeah, I generated filled it in. There you go. Thank you, Photoshop. Thank you, AI. Now the next thing in my head was like, okay, what am I going to do with this? Now at first I made a selection and I wanted to add like beach sand, soft sand kind of a look. And I didn't quite like that, but then I was like, okay, you can see it ruined the back of the car for some reason. Let's use AI to just continue with the road. And that was fine, but I didn't like how AI was playing around with my, the back of the car. And so I just did it on my own. Yeah, I just I used the clone stamp tool and other tools just to create my own, and that's it. Now you can see the perspective is not correct, and I did not correct it because I was just going to add something else there, like a flare, to hide it. You can correct the perspective if you want to. But also I noticed that there is a bit of color cast, so I just added a color balance just slightly. There's a bit of red in that shot and just brought it back. I don't think you can see it on YouTube, so you have to actually have the file to see it. And then I merged everything in one layer, and you can see I've played around with the patch tool at the back just to clean things up, and hey, that's pretty much it in terms of what I did at the back there. Now, I noticed that there are a lot of nice details on the car. You can see here. You can see how the highlights are falling off the cars with the shadows. It's just like, I love it. So I did bring in a dodge and burn layer, gray layer, which I actually emphasized that. So it's already there. Let me show you. Let me zoom in. Oh, zoom in. There you go. This is the before, this is the after. With the white brush, you just enhance the highlights. With the black one, you enhance the shadows. Even the ones here, if I zoom in, you can see the one on the just tip of the car. There you go, you can see it. And it just makes a good difference. A lot of difference. I like it a lot. And as a part of my workflow, I put everything in one layer, merge everything in one layer, and then take it to Camera Raw. Unfortunately, I did not use smart filters because for some reason I did not. So I'm going to show you how it was done. Camera filter. And I did warm up the shot, something like that, and added a bit of clarity, and maybe I did the sharpening here as well. So this is the masking. All right, so that's pretty much it. And let's see, yeah, why this is a bit punchier. Maybe I added more contrast. Anyway, so I reached to this part and I was like, okay, now I need to hide the imperfection at the back, and I need to add something that just to give it that oomph. And what that oomph is a bit of haze and flare. So this is the shot. This is the layer. This is how it looks like, you know, without the screen blending mode. And I added a mask. I masked out some of that off the car because it was just too distractive kind of thing. I did add another one over here, and let's have a look at this one. So this is how it actually looks like. You screen it, and I did add a mask to clean some of that off the car. Now I wanted some of that flare to touch the car, and that's fine because otherwise it would look fake, not like it looks real, but I think it just adds up to the shot, and I kind of like where this is sitting. Now, if you would have done things differently, please let me know. Let me know in the comment section below. I'd be happy to hear your opinion. But yeah, we've reached the end of this video or tutorial. Now, if you have any questions, like always, please leave me a comment in the comment section below. For those of you who subscribe to my membership channel, is this what it's called? You'll be getting the row. So I think I have around 200 to 400 shots which I'm going to upload. You will get to have, yeah, all of these shots over here. It's 287 rows, almost 284 I think, because there are some tiffs here and there. But yeah, you'll get these and you'll get to play around with it. That's it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me again a comment. Share this with your friends. I'm so glad I'm doing this. It feels so good, but I'm very rusty. And yeah, I love you guys. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you in the next video.